Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, quick little treat. It's kind of like candy popcorn, but we're going to use cereal. I've heard it called different names, but I call it trouble. And you know why? Because this treat is addicting. You cannot stop eating it. So let me show you how to put this quick treat together. The ingredients you're going to need in order to make this addictive, yummy treat are 4 cups of Golden Grahams cereal, 4 cups of Corn Chex cereal, 2 cups of sweetened coconut flakes, 1 8-ounce package of almonds. You'll need 1 cup of light corn syrup, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 sticks of butter. That's 3/4 of a cup, and you want to use real butter for this. That makes it. So the first thing I'm going to do in a large bowl is combine 4 cups of my Golden Grahams cereal and 4 cups of the Corn Chex. And then I'm going to add my almonds and my coconut. And then I'm just going to give that a quick mix. Then I'm just going to set this aside. Into a medium to large saucepan on the stove, I'm going to add my 1.5 sticks of butter, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the heat to medium-low, and I'm just going to let that butter melt. You want to make sure that you use a saucepan that's big enough that once all the ingredients start to boil, it won't boil over. Once the butter's melted, I'm going to add the sugar and the Karo syrup, and I'm going to stir that together until it's emulsified. Once the sugar's basically melted and the butter's stirred in, I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat up just a little bit and bring this to a boil. And I'm not going to stir it anymore. Once it's boiling, I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes, and I'm going to let it boil for 3 minutes. And this is why you need a little bigger pot so that it doesn't boil over. Once our mixture has boiled for 3 minutes, then I'm going to go ahead and pour it immediately onto my cereal mixture. And then I just want to stir that together as quickly as possible. And that's it. It's super easy to put together. I actually like it better than Rice Krispie treats. And even though I can't stop eating it once I've started, it's okay because it's made out of cereal. So there's vitamins in there someplace, right? Over the years, I've had this with different cereals, different mixtures. You can, if you don't like coconut, just leave it out. If you don't like the Golden Grahams, take them out. Sometimes for my boys, I'll take the Golden Grahams and the Chex. I'll mix them together. Then I'll make the butter sugar mixture, and I'll pour that on and I'll let it sit for just a minute, and then I'll add mini marshmallows and chocolate chips, and it makes like a s'more mix. That one's good too. Let me know what combinations you like by leaving me a comment in the comments below. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. And if you like this video and you want to see more of them, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.